Hello, welcome back to Susie's Unique Designs. Today I'm going to be making a Frankenstein Halloween wreath. I prepped my wreath base already using 10-inch poofs on the inside and then using 25-inch ruffles on the outside. And then I'm adding a 10-inch curl all the way around with the ribbon tails that are 13 inches long. So I'm doing the inside first. The less you touch your mesh, the better, because all mesh frays, but good quality mesh is a lot better. So I'm just going around here on the inside, twisting it about 5 times. Then I cut it off with my wire cutters. Good quality wire cutters are a must for a crafter. Really helps save on your hands. I'm using black and white striped mesh and then black mesh with foil in it. Okay, that's my last one for the inside. And then next, we're going to cut some more mesh to do the outside. This is my sign. So I'm going to cut 10-inch strips. And I'm cutting 2 of the mesh at one time using my mesh holder from Susie's Wreaths. You can find her on Etsy. Okay, so now I'm going to add all of my 10-inch curls to the outside along with my 13-inch ribbon tails. I use 2.5-inch ribbon and 1.5-inch ribbon. And I alternate the colors back and forth throughout the wreath. Again, just twisting about 5 times. Cut them off. You can tuck them underneath the ribbon or leave it. If you're using the thicker pipe cleaners, those ones are more decorative and you can usually leave them. If you're using the thin pipe cleaners, I would suggest cutting it, leave about 1 inch, and then tuck it underneath the ribbons, just to make your work look nice and neat and polished. Okay, so I'm just going to finish this up going around, and then I will be back. Okay, so I'm just finishing up the last few of these curls. And then the next thing we're going to do is I'm going to add my sign. I need to prep my sign. And then there's the bow. I pre-made the bow ahead of time just to save a little bit of time. So I'll be back. And this is what it looks like. I added the sign and the bow. And I'll take pictures on my door so you can see the full effect of this. I think it turned out really cute. I love the colors. The purple really helps it pop. It's super adorable. Thank you for watching Susie's Unique Designs. I hope you will like and subscribe and join me again on my next project.